Okay, here's a video for how to work on place value. I'm going to show you some place value work with the example of this number. This number is 47. You're always going to use two-digit numbers for now when you're practicing place value. And in a two-digit number, there's two different place values, your tens and your ones. So when you get your number, first you're going to tell your teacher how many ones you have and how many tens you have. So in this case, how many ones do you have? 7 ones. The one side is over here. It's going to be hard writing with my mouse. Okay, and then here's your tens place. So how many tens do you have? You have 4 tens. So that's step one. Just look at your number, read it, and then say how many tens and how many ones you have. Next, you're going to build your number. To get you ready for subtraction and addition, you should start in the ones place. So go ahead and build your ones first. 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Check your work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. Then you're going to build your tens. How many do you need? 4. So go 10, 20, 30, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. And then you're going to check your work of the whole thing. So count your tens and ones. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Okay, and then you're going to get some tens and ones challenges from your teacher to make sure you understand the place value of tens and ones. So your teacher might give you a challenge like, take away a 1. Okay, go to your ones place value and take it away. Okay, now how many do you have? 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Ta-da! You made your first challenge. Whoops. Took away a, oh my gosh. Took away a 1 and made 46. You'd write that number. I don't know what's going on here with my pen. There we go. 46. Okay, then your teacher might give you another challenge and say, add a 10. So you go to your tens place and just put another 10 on there. And then how many do you have? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. You can write that new number. You added a 10, and now you have 56. And you can just do that for a little bit. Students can give a challenge and either say add or subtract a 1, add or subtract a 10, and just change that number around a little bit. And after you've all had a few rounds with that, then totally erase and you can do another two-digit number showing your teacher what you know about the tens and the one spot. Let me know if you have any questions. I believe in you, place value masters.